All right, chat. We're back, dude. Wow. I mean, not only that, but my camera's also dying. If you can't tell, we're making money on this trade. I'm trying to fix everything, chat. Hang on. I don't know what happened, bro. I'm still not back. I'm falling a chat. Everything's failing on me, bro. All right, while I fix this, y'all just sit here and watch this trade play out because we're making fucking bank on this. To the haters that said my trade wouldn't work while I fix this. Bro, what are the odds of that happening? That's crazy. I guess I just can't play music, chat. I play the music out of the YouTube creator library. They literally have music there for creators. And I literally still get smoked on a copyright thing. I don't get it. I truly don't get it. All right, let me figure out my camera here. Video capture, add, cam link. It still doesn't want to add my camera, dude. Hello? Chat, is this my cue to throw in the towel? Like, my camera is on, but my Streamlabs is not connecting to it. Like, hello? Let's move our stop to break even here. We're just slightly in profit there. Hello, like, camera? Can we please work? Bro, I'm so sick of this. Actually. My camera's on, but it's not connecting to my Streamlabs, and I don't know why. Cam link. What is happening, chat? I suck with technology. Bro, I don't even want to hear it, dog. Hold on. Why is my camera not working? Chat, I'm going through it, bro. I really am. I am absolutely going through it, chat. I need somebody to help me. Are we good? Can we survive? Holy. Am I gonna survive, chat? Jesus Christ. I'm super blurry. Am I blurry, chat? Oh. Am I good? We're good now? Are we sure? There. Chat, I'm so annoyed, bro. We're back. That's all that matters. We'll share the link here again. All right. Just shared it again. Jesus Christ. We had like 108 people in here at one point. Lost all my viewers because of that. It's crazy. It's all right. We here. I'm letting this trade ride, chat. I mean, we're in one micro. So we end up making some decent amount of money on that. We are back green on the day. I trailed out of my position, as I said I would if we got above the 40s. So I did trail out of that, or I did take contracts off. So we're only in one micro right now. So we're just gonna try to let this continue to ride. But we made a decent amount of money on that. We're back green on the day. Everything's all Gucci. Smoker says, Smoker was hating on my trade, saying, imagine your plane's about to crash. Smoker, we don't need that kind of energy, bro. Don't think for a second I didn't see your comments bringing that negative energy. And now look, we're green on this trade, green on the day. What matters, we're green on the day. That's right, baby. Holy. What matters is that we are nice and green on the day, baby. Super pissed off that my stream got canceled like that. That's crazy. It's crazy. YouTube literally has a content creator music library that we can stream music on. And then I use that music that they provide streamers and I still get canceled, chat. That's crazy, bro. I mean, actually crazy. Solid trade. Took the same trade before he started watching. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, we're just going to try to ride this back up to IB. If we can get it. If it'll give us a strength, I'd like to ride it to IB. Man, the technical difficulties today, chat, are off the freaking charts, bro. Lost my stream. My camera wouldn't work. Everything just not working, chat. Literally. Like, Monday is Mondaying. You know what I mean? definitely a Monday. Now we need this trade to just go to the moon to make me feel a little bit better. I need the trade to go to the moon so I feel a little bit better, chat. I really do. How does it go? It's going, Mickey. It's going. We are definitely vibing. Green on the day. Trying to let this trade ride. We've scaled out of this position. I just have one micro running. One micro, just seeing if we can capture a little bit more of a move. That's it. Peter says, yes, let's go to the moon. That's what I'm saying. Let's just go to the moon. In fact, let's just rip all the way up to high of day. Let's do that. That's what I want to do. Just rip all the way to high of day, chat. And we'll be good. Smoker's in constant pain. I feel like he is, chat. I feel like Smoker, I feel like you're hurting. Let's see all-time high today. Yeah, facts. Let's just go to all-time highs in the market. I would love that. I'll sit here in this long and we go to all-time highs. That's fine. I see nothing wrong with that happening. It's all part of the plan, chat. You know what I mean? It's all part of the trading plan. It's all part of the plan, chat, okay? Tris, one NQ shorted. Tris, you're fading me right now? Come on, Tris. Don't do that to me. Tris, don't do that to me. Why you gotta fade me, Tris? Smoker, I'm just giving you shit, dude. It's just, Tris, please, we beg. We need a little push up. No, we need a big push up. We don't need a little one. We need a big one. That's what we need. We need a big push. A to the moon push is what we need. We don't want no little push. We got to go to the absolute moon. In fact, we got to just exit the solar system. We got to just go absolutely parabolic, chat. That's what we need. Parabolic or nothing. That's what we need right now. Roman is 5 micros long. Holy, you love to see it. That's what I need. That's the energy I need, chat. I need longs. That's the energy. When am I doing another giveaway? I don't know. Whenever I feel like it, I guess. Whenever I feel like it. Gave up on the short. That's your sign to flip long. That's your sign to flip long. Help me out a little bit. I'm not exiting this trade, chat. I'm not doing it. I'm in this trade till I die. Or if I get stopped out. One of the two. Is trading boring for me? To be honest, no. It's not. I like watching the markets. So it's not boring. So much consolidation in this area. Trust me, I know. I'm sitting through it in a trade. Trying to hold this to IB low. That's all I want is IB low. Is that too much to ask for, chat? Like, if you think about it, is that too much to ask for? But emotion is bad? What do you mean emotion is bad? I don't know what you mean, sir. Explain what you mean. It's IB low or nothing, chat. That's the rest of this trade. We've made money on this trade. We scaled out of it. Now it's IB low or nothing. I believe in it. I believe we can do it. We just gotta believe, chat. We just gotta believe. Trading with your emotions instead of chart is bad. I agree with you. I 100% agree with you. The hell? BRB, chat. All right, we're back. Then why am I excited about trading? What are you, smoker? What are you? Are you smoking right now? What are you on, bro? You're out, missed your short setup like a chump. Now I'm trying to revenge trade. I'll join you on Discord. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. All right, chat. Are we going to get stopped out for break even on the final contract? Or are we going to hold? Do we hold? We're staying in this. Close, it's over? No. I will either get stopped out at 24s, which my stop is in profit. So, I mean, it's fine. I'll still take about 8 points or so, 7 points. If my stop gets hit on the final micro, but no, we're holding. We're letting the final micro run. We already made money on this trade, so we hold in the last micro. My stop's at 24, so if it comes down and stops me out at 24s, that's fine. We still made money. Smoker, bro, I've already made money on the trade. What are you talking about, bro? I was in this with 4 micros. I've already scaled out 3. I just have 1 runner. Relax. Or I fucking ban you. Like, you are a unprofitable trader trying to give trading advice. Like, just stop. Smoking something. Taking anger out on you. I'm not taking anything out on you. I'm not angry. You're just annoying. You act like you're Warren Buffett, think you know everything about the markets, bro. You don't know. You don't even make money yourself. Why are you trying to give trading advice when you're unprofitable? Think about it. Think about it. See buyers can hold these 60s, gets back to the 90s, push above the 90s. I see no reason why we don't go to IB low at that point. If we do get above 90s, I will trail my stop up to that. Your video a few days ago about marking the 1 hour chart worked like a champ. 1050. Nice. GG's. Love that, Trade the Wave. Holy. Let's go. You love to see it, chat. You love to see it. You absolutely love to see it. Chat, can we get some more likes up on the stream? Because we had like 50 on the last stream and then my stream got taken down. So can we get some more likes on this stream to match the energy from the last stream? YouTube screwed me. YouTube really, really screwed me, chat. We had like 107 people in here, 50 likes, and then YouTube canceled me. YouTube canceled me, bro. Holy. Still trying to come down. Trader in development, what's up, dude? What up, Ismail? How you doing, brother? Oh, I mean, this just won't go. It just won't go for daddy. Fade me. So Trader, I was long. I just have a runner going. My trade's basically already done. I was long from like the 700s on 4 micros, and I scaled out of 3 already. So I already made money on this trade. I'm just letting 1 micro go. So you can fade me. It's okay. Ismail, this is my the second stream of the morning because YouTube took my first one down for whatever reason. But we're just letting this one final contract run. We made about 250 on the 3 that we scaled out, so we sit in Gucci. You're not in love with your short, to be honest. And it's just we're in a tricky area in general. Starting to build resistance at 737, yeah. Looking like I might get stopped out in profit here, though, on the final contract. Which is fine. It's fine. Sellers are really holding us down here, to be honest. Which has been the theme of the day. I mean, a lot of selling pressure today. I've been in this trade for like an hour. Trying to reduce your red day. Don't make it worse. Don't go do that. You don't want to do that, G. Don't go do that. Easy way to go full tilt mode, you know? Monday says, Joey, could you please explain what this join 499 is all about? Just found your channel. That's just if you want to support the channel. You don't have to. Like, I have people who become members of the channel. It's for if they want to support the channel, they can. I'm gonna actually be doing some members only content for the people that do join and become members, because I want to give back to you guys. So if you do become a member, just know you have some members only content coming. It is coming, baby. But we have a lot of people that like just want to support the channel, just to support it, you know? They like the vibes here. They want to be here. It's all about the vibes, baby, you know? All about the vibes. Appreciate you being here. Glad you found the channel. You're in a good spot. We had a lot of people find the channel over the weekend. That video we did on IB kind of blew up. We blew up on Twitter too. A lot of people caught on to that video. Video was gold. Glad you got value out of it. We're going to do more videos just like it too. More videos coming just like it. Buyers trying to catch a bid, so just unable to get follow through. Kind of just sitting in the straight chat. I mean, we already made money on it. We scaled out of it. We just have one runner going. So, I mean, if it gets stopped out, it's fine. Just would like price to make up its mind. We're either going to go back lower or we're going to go back to IB low. It's one of the two. One of the two, chat. Why is my camera so off center, bro? Chat, the technical difficulties we've had today is actually, it needs to be studied. It is unmatched. Like, the technical difficulties are actually insane. Hold on. Should be good there. Just set it to trailing and go enjoy your day. Dude, facts. It's a great idea. Can you make a video on how to trade the market open volatility or how to sit through it? I thought about doing that. I had questions on it. I had a lot of people asking if I trade the open, which I have, but Yeah, it's tricky. It's hard to make a video about that because so many people trade opening range breakouts, right? So it's really hard to make a video on that without pissing a lot of people off. Session flow, what up? It has been a minute. Where you been? What happened to you? Oh, we're still sitting in this trade. I still got one micro just trying to run. It's taking forever. But here we are. We're still in it. We're still holding strong, baby. Still holding strong. You got chopped up so bad a few times trying to trade the open. I've only been trading again for a couple of weeks now and took bad hits each time. Well, just take your time with it. I mean, you'll get there. You'll get there. Once you find what works for you and it works consistently, then you won't stray away from it. Mario said trade ES. Then that is a good point. ES is less volatile. It is less temperamental. Cap? What's cap? Come on, buyers. Can we just push to Ivy low, please? That's all our brother really wants. That's all we want, baby. Just a little push to IB low. I got you taking sweeps, bro. I was talking about it on stream earlier. I actually took the long from like 700. Was it no, like 680s, 690s or so. I took the long as well. Got you trading sweeps. The Nasdaq's notorious for it. She likes her sweeps, baby. This is my last contract. I've already scaled out of it. Mario, I've been in this trade since like 680s. I took four micros. Well, I started with 2 micros and I added 2 and then scaled out of it, scaled out of 3. And now I got 1 runner. So I'm just chilling, waiting for this to do something. Nice, Mario. Tuco? This looks Japanese. Ay, Tuco. I probably said some off the wall shit in a different language. I have no idea what I said. I definitely made it sound Spanish though, and I'm okay with that. Market is just buying. It's just busy trapping the gamblers. I like it. I like it. Yes, they are. I think I went Spanglish. Holy. That's gonna be me, dude, because I've been learning Spanish, you know? I feel like I'm gonna speak Spanish so much that I'm basically gonna be Spanglish. I be saying stuff to my wife in Spanish. She has no idea what I'm talking about. I can talk absolute shit to her. And she has no idea. This trade just don't want to go. Like I said, chat stops above break even, so we'll be stopped out on the final contract in profit. If it stops me, it stops me. We're up nice and green on the day. I might be in this trade next week, chat. I don't know. Like, we might be in this trade for the next couple weeks. Dang, Bradley. Bro is diverse. Bradley's well culturized. You have limits just under my stop? Nice. We ain't going nowhere, chat. It's either going to take my stop on this final contract or we're going to IB low. It's one of the two. We ain't going nowhere. Bradley, I agree. I agree. Smoker, I'm putting you in timeout, dog. Go sit in a corner. Go sit in a corner and think about what you did. And be a good boy. I ain't gonna have that shit in my stream. All countries matter, chat. Go sit in timeout and be a little good boy. You can come back tomorrow. Think about your actions, Smoker. You're in timeout for 24 hours. Try again tomorrow. Try again on the next episode of Get Fucking Smoked. I turn around and Joey's using Cheap Man's hammer. Yep. My trigger finger been itching, chat. I mean, listen, I somebody got to get banned. Might as well been him. Somebody got to get banned. String V says, "Hey Joey, first time on your channel. Welcome, String. Appreciate you being here. You're in a good spot. The trade's about to smoke your stop loss. Yeah, I'm in profit though, so it's fine. Chat, you gotta remember, I'm just trailing right now. Like, I mean, I scaled out. I was in this buy with 4 contracts. I already took profit on 3, and this is just my final runner. So if it gets stopped, it's all right. It ain't no thing. So we up nice on the day after taking those 3 contracts off in profit. We up real good, chat. Real good. I was away for like 30 seconds. A lot can happen in 30 seconds. 30 seconds is a lifetime. Nice, Tris. So I can test it. Wait, test what? What I miss? What am I testing? No, he said the only country that matters is America, and I'm just not gonna have that in my chat. I love all people. I love all my foreign people. Bradley, bro. That I have never been cooked on a trade so fast, dude. I still think about that trade. That haunts me. The indicator. Oh, the indicator you're working on? Yes. Yeah. Yeah, Mario, I'll test it. Send me the invite to it. I'll test it. Bro, that trade absolutely cooked me, bro. I mean, I entered that trade, and before I could blink twice, I was stopped out like immediately, dude. That was insane. Holy. I legit have nightmares over that trade. Joey's Tanner in Springfield. Hope you're well. Wanted to check out your stream, Tanner. Tanner Ben. Oh, what's up, Tanner? How you doing, G? Hope you're doing well, dude. Been a while. This is the 3rd sweep. Push up on NQ. Yeah, we're still holding. Chat, we literally came a tick away from getting smoked. That was nuts, bro. It was on the instant red. Yeah, the instant red trade that we took on. What was it? Gold? I think it was gold. Yeah, it was on gold where I entered a trade and it cooked me so fast. That's why you trade with stop losses, chat, because you could just get cooked like pretty much immediately. Let's see my back test. You want to see like my back testing sessions? Is that what you want to see? You sent a screenshot from it in the Discord. Yeah, Mario's in my Discord. You keep saying smoke. Do you miss smoke or no? No, he can sit in timeout for the next 24 hours. I'll let him try again tomorrow. I'll just keep putting him in timeout. I won't actually ban him. I'll just keep putting him in timeout. Let him keep coming back, and it feels good. It feels good to just put somebody in timeout for 24 hours. I'll let them think about what they did. They can go be a good boy and then come back later. Try again. Take this off here. He's gonna crash out. He might. He might actually do it. Chat, let's all do me a favor real quick. Let's all come together as one unit here, right? Let's lock in for a second and hit the like button, right? We had 80 people watching, only 32 likes, bro. I think we can get the likes up. What do you guys think? I think the more likes that we get on the stream, the more probability this trade works out. That's just how I view it, chat. The more likes we get, the higher probability this trade goes to the freaking moon. That's how I feel. Think we can do that, chat? What do you think? So my trade literally rests in your guys' hands. Appreciate you, Tanner. Welcome. My trade's literally in your hands, chat. Help me. Yeah. Okay, that's not the rejection. That's not what I want to see on Nikki right there. Chat, this is why you gotta help me, bro. This is why you gotta help me right here. Look how close we came from getting stopped out on this, chat. Literally, what's the bottom of this wick here? 50 or 25. 25 is the bottom of that wick. It's 1 point away. I'm cooked then? Yeah, I might be. Yeah. I might be. If that's the case, then I can never, I can't enter with you. I can never trust the people to hit the like button. I know, bro. I just wish that's like the first thing we do. You know what I mean? We come in the stream and we just smash a like button just to get it out the way. There's a little thumbs up thing on the video, chat. Have a thumb war with it. You know what I mean? Let me know who wins. The fate of my trade relies on you guys, chat. Bro, Twitter is bugging right now, dude. It's so crazy to see the fucking drama on Twitter in the trading space. Dog. Twitter is just going absolutely ham right now. It's crazy. So a usual day, yeah. Yeah, it is. Chat, like, so you know, I posted about IB on Twitter. I made a YouTube video on it. I was low key catching strays, bro, because I like my shit popped on Twitter. Like I blew up on Twitter over the post I was making about IB. And dude, I low key was like catching strays from everybody. Like there was, I mean, obviously, like we had more support than anything, but people coming out of the woodworks just throwing shots at me. I'm like, bro, chill, chill, bro. It's gonna be all right. You got blocked twice, by the way. By who? Who blocked you? What up, Josh? Yeah, those Apex emails are wild. I won't get into all that though. All I said was why you might. Oh, you were vouching for the IB. Yeah, Yeah, there were like a lot of like people coming out of the woodworks like hating on it. You don't envy my influencer status, dude, for real. I mean, like it's I enjoy I like being an influencer, to be honest, because I do try to do it the right way, chat. I really do. I try to be transparent as possible. I don't want to be like these other influencers getting cooked. That's the problem with being an influencer is you have to like tread softly, bro. You got to like be careful on shit that you say, the actions that you do. Like, it's got to be careful. Joey, love the discipline, trusting your levels. Yo, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Chat, you know what's crazy? Is I never really like tried to be an influencer. It kind of just happened by accident. If I'm being honest, I never tried to be one. It just kind of happened. I was just like everyone else. Like I was working a full-time job trading I was trading with Top Step at the time actually. And I got brought on to Top Step TV uh at one point because of my trading. And then they kept bringing me on and bringing me on and bringing me on. And I was on there for I was on like their Top Step TV for quite a bit. And then I was like just kind of randomly posting shit here and there, and it just kind of randomly happened. I don't know. I didn't try to be an influencer. It kind of just happened on its own. Do you use Trade Copier? Yeah, I use Trade Syncer. I know you from Ninja Trader Live. Nice. Yeah, I'll be on Ninja Trader Live, I think Thursday is what it is. Bro, you streaming a long time. Is this normal length? Not really. I'm just kind of hanging out and chilling, vibing. We are just vibing, baby. Waiting for this trade to finish up. So far, this trade's done absolutely nothing. See, I can't be an influencer. I would talk so much shit. It's okay to talk shit too as an influencer. You can do it. Just gotta be prepared for everything. Wow, this trade is trying to go, chat. It's trying to go. Chat, if you're not already subbed, hit that sub button. We are live twice a day, baby, morning and during Asia sessions. So if you want to catch the live streams, be sure to hit that sub button. Do me a favor, baby. Do me a favor. Join the community. You're in a good spot. Course. They reject again, bro. Can we just go? This is the most annoying trade. You'll join me for Asia. Nice. Yeah, we'll be live. Our Asia stream is at 6:30 Central Time. So you want to join Asia streams? It's at 6:30. Ninja Trader TV blows tops out of the water. Of course it does. Way more professional. You want to do London, but a guy has to sleep sometimes? Yeah, I hear you. I could not trade London, bro. I really couldn't. There's no way. No way, bro. We have been in this final contract for like 3 business days, chat. Crazy. Like it's actually been 3 business days. It's going to be 8 business days. Might be. At this point, I'm just like, bro, like, go ahead, just stop me out, bro. I've been in this for like 2 hours. Almost, actually. Has it been 2 hours almost? No, yeah, about an hour and 15 minutes I've been in this. I don't like being in trades during lunch either. I'm just trying to let a runner run. That's all I'm trying to do. Just don't calculate what that one con ROI is. That's facts. Yeah, the hourly pay on this one contract is absolute ass. Like, is it even worth it at this point, chat? Like, should I just fucking take this shit off? Is it even worth it? 2 hours of work, $30. Yep. Like, is it even worth it at this point? I don't. To be honest, I don't even know, chat. Part of me is like, we came so close to getting stopped out that we didn't. Now I just want to fucking ride it, but looking like we're going to come down to my stop at this point. But I also said that right here. I would have made $100 with auto trailing. Yeah. Yeah. At one point, I was up like, I think 130 on this trade, on this one con. But I was really trying to hold die below, to be honest. But it doesn't look like I'm going to get that. Don't look like I'm going to get it, chat. I'd rather be fishing. Same. I'm right there with you. Right there with you, brother. Oh, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I kind of want to just go eat. I'm starving, dude. I've been sitting in this and haven't eaten. Like, I'm hungry. Uh-oh. We coming down the stop? We coming down on the stop chat? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We made 10 bucks, chat. We made 10 bucks on that final contract. All right. We are up 150 on the day, chat. Blame chat, not enough likes. I know. I gotta blame chat. We're up 150 on the day. So we'll call it there. I can finally end stream and be happy, chat. So I'm gonna end stream and go be happy and eat some food. Holy. Chat, love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be live again later on for Asia session. If you're not subbed, hit that sub button and tune in for Asia stream. We'll be live 6:30 p.m. Central Time, chat, Central Time. We will be live. Love you guys. Stay beautiful. Stay safe. Don't lose money. Peace. Goodbye.